Okay, this video is to help you get started on the volume of rectangular prisms slide lesson. Okay, the first slide, I'm just going to get you started, okay? The first slide gives you a link to see some rectangular prisms and their volumes, or a way to think about their volumes. Okay, I just wanted, in class, I'm going to have the students kind of play with this a bit. The first two bars that you see give you the length and the width. That's the way I'm looking at it. So right now I have 4 and 3. Okay, so think of this as the length and the width of the base. Okay, here's 4 by 3. Okay, length of 4, width of 3. Okay, the length and the width are typically considered the longer side and the shorter side of the bottom. Okay, so length 4, width 3, and then you can play with the number of layers. Let's see, how far can we get up? Let's get to 5. See, that's going to give you the height. Okay, so in a rectangular prism, like a box, okay, you're going to have a length and you're going to have a width. Okay, that's the long side and the short side of the base, and you're going to have a height. But what I wanted you to see as you kind of play around with this, if you take the length times the width, let's go back here. Let's say we have a 3 length and a 2 width. If you take the length and the width, okay, that'd be 6 cubes. Okay, if you take those 6 cubes times the number of layers, okay, that would give you the total cubes. Okay, and that's what volume is. Volume is the total number of cubes that form a rectangular prism. In this case, we're doing rectangular prisms. Okay, so the trick is the formula for the volume of a rectangular prism. If you take the length times the width times how many layers there are, which is the height, that will give you the total number of cubes. Okay, so just play around with that a bit. Okay, here's the volume of a rectangular prism on your screen. Volume equals length times width times height. Okay, let's just look at a slide or two, and I'll let you just tell me if you have questions on this, if you're at home. Okay, slide 2. Okay, count the number of centimeter cubes to find the volume. Okay, so just like that visual we just looked at, there would be 4 and 3 as the length and the width. Okay, so there would be 12 cubes on the bottom. See, 4 times 3 would think of that as the 12 cubes on the bottom layer. Okay, and there's 2 layers of 12. Okay, there's a stack of 2 layers. Okay, so all together there's going to be 12 cubes on the bottom and 2 layers of that, so that'd be 24. There's going to be 24 cubes, so the volume would be 24 cubic centimeters. Okay, that little 3 means cubes. Okay, we're counting cubes. Okay, and the dimensions of the rectangular prism. Okay, we said the length and the width come from the base. Okay, the length of 4, the width of 3. Okay, the height is how high it is. Okay, it's 2 layers high, so that'd be 2. Okay, length is 4, width is 3, height is 2. Okay, so to figure out what the volume is, okay, they're calling it an equation because what we could do, we could take the 4 times the 3 times the 2, okay, the length times the width times the height, and that will give us the 24 cubic centimeters. Okay, let me know how you do with this. If you're at home and this isn't making sense to you, please contact me because I want to help you. There's just some slides. Mainly it's typing in the missing numbers. Okay, there's a drag and drop where you just drag the right answer. There's a matching. Okay, and there's a think question, slide 8. Okay, just see what you can do, and please don't hesitate to call me or to email me if you have any concerns at all, okay?